He's cute, right?
He's very cute. He's trying to learn how to fly.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
He's a birdie. That's what he does. He flies.
He just hatched out the egg.
Oh yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah.
You want to see if he'll fly?
What do you say?
You want to see if he'll fly?
Yeah. He's not gonna fly.
Here, give him a little push. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Here, try it again.
Okay. Go.
Hey, where did he go? He's going too fast. That's so cute.
He's stuck. Okay, I go see Sissy.
She's gonna take a walk with Kim. Here, throw the birdie again. You're helping him learn how to fly. Poor bird.
Poor birds. Yeah.
There he goes.
Hey, wait, that's my daddy.
No, I don't think so. I think that's a different birdie.
He's flying.
That's so cool, Wyatt.
Wait, where is he now?
He's right in front of you.
Oh.
No, over more.
Look, a mushroom.
Yeah, there's a mushroom. You throw him again. Oh, there he goes. See, he wants to fly.